viewers, my name is Joseph from Webpages, and you're warmly welcome to today's lesson. The lesson for today is how to convert documents and web pages to PDF on your smartphone. If you have not subscribed to this channel or liked my videos, kindly do so for more computer and smartphone related videos. Now let's move to the history of PDF. PDF means portable document format. It is a type of document format developed by Adobe that preserves all the fonts, formatting, graphics, and color of any source document, regardless of the application and platform used to create it. We also move to the importance of PDF files. The first importance is document format is maintained. The second one is they tend to have a small file size in comparison to other formats. The third is the file can be protected by password. The fourth one is it works on any operating system. And the fifth one is it is not likely to go away. So these are the importance of converting your documents and web pages into PDF. Now we move to the practical aspect of this lesson. We will first start with converting a document to PDF. And the first step to note is you need to install WPS application on your smartphone. On the Android phone, you install it from Play Store, and on the iPhone, you install it from AppStore. So after installing your WPS application, you open it. So we take our mobile phone and we select the WPS application. So in here, we are going to select the file or document we want to convert. So I select this. And after accessing the document, you select Tools down here. And you select the first option, that is File. Here we have Export to PDF. You select the second option. We select the Export to PDF button down here. Here we are going to choose a location to save our file. And you can choose the WPS cloud, or you can add your cloud storage, or you can choose a location from your mobile phone. So we select the last option, that is location. So we choose a location on our mobile phone, and I choose my documents. This is the location I want to save my document, and I am to select the Export to PDF button on my down right corner. So it is going to save. So after saving, export PDF successful. So we view that. Now this is the document we just converted to PDF. So when we move back here, we can find out that laptop microphone has now been converted into PDF. So this is how to convert a document into PDF. Now let's move to the next step. The next step is how to convert a web page into PDF. And in doing that, you move to your browser. So I choose mine, that's Chrome. And you have to search for the web page you want to PDF. So I have searched for mine. So what you have to do now is to move to the top right corner and select the red round button. But for some cases, it's going to be a 3 vertical dot. You can also select that. In the drop down here, I select the share option. And it's going to give me platforms where I can share my web page, but I select the print icon. So after selecting the print icon, I have prepared preview, and after the preview is done, we select the PDF button on top here, and we are done also preparing our preview. So we have to select the location we want to save our file. So I move here. And I select documents. So after selecting your location, you press on the save button on your down right corner. Our web page has been successfully converted to PDF, and to view that, we move to the WPS application. So on top here we have the open option. We select that and we select the location, that's our phone. So we select phone. We then move here to select documents on top. And we have the name of the web page here, that's William Braham. So we select it. And this is the web page we converted to PDF. This is the end of today's lesson, and if you want more of computer tips and secrets, also tips and secrets of Android phone, kindly subscribe and like to support this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.